From the dashboard, click on Add-ons and then click on Browse. Find the basic white label add-on and click on Info. Now click on Install add-on for free and confirm your installation. On the next screen, click on Plus New and give your subdomain a name. Any name will do. Your personal name, your company name, your friend's company name. Also choose the subdomain you would like to use with this and put your status to enabled. Send your subdomain for review and click on Save. Now you can click on Manage and you will see that your domain is pending to be approved. During the approval process, we will install an SSL certificate. This can take up to 24 hours, but is usually done within a few minutes. While you wait, you can check your subdomain, make any changes, or just check its settings. Great, it's been a few minutes and I've just received an email that my add-on's been approved, so let's go and have a look. Click on Browse. You can see all my active add-ons here in the sidebar. Let's click on White Label and you can see that the status has now been approved. Everything is looking good, so let's see it in action. Click on MM Management and go to Overview. Choose any of your virtual tours and click on the tab Virtual Tours. Now click on iframe, and as you can see here, there's a new tab with your new subdomain. You can click to copy your link to your clipboard. You can also check the original link, which will also still work. And once you have copied your link, you can share it on social media, you can send it through WhatsApp or send it per email. It will work everywhere. You can create as many different subdomains as you wish, they're all for free. I really hope you're enjoying using this feature, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments.